Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and you're probably wondering, what can I use P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner on? Well, short answer, everything. It is safe, 100% safe on all types of plastics, vinyl, and leather surfaces. So whether it be your door panel, your dash, your center console, your leather seats, your fabric seats, even your carpet, you can give a little spritz of Xpress Interior Cleaner onto those surfaces, give it a quick scrub, wipe it down with a towel, and you are done. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. So all you'll need to do next is finish up with one of your favorite interior products. I'd recommend Dynamic Dressing by P&S. Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.